The next generation of Android phones may be available in customer hands earlier than anticipated thanks to Qualcomm's yearly flagship smartphone processor update, which appears likely to arrive a bit earlier than normal. It looks that Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will definitely ship sooner than previous chipsets, as anticipated by the leaker Digital Chat Station back in February. The next Snapdragon Summit will be held from October 24th to 26th according to a save-the-date notice posted on Qualcomm's website. It will be in Hawaii as usual. The website just states that attendees will be able to catch the next wave of mind-blowing innovation, which doesn't reveal much. The most recent 3 generations of Snapdragon flagship chips were released in November and December, which is noticeably sooner than in years before. High-end Android devices like the Samsung Galaxy S24 and OnePlus May 12 thus be able to go on sale earlier than normal, perhaps lowering the lead time that the iPhone 15 enjoys with its September debut. After correctly predicting Qualcomm's early event in February, the leaker known as Digital Chat Station made another forecast about the chip's performance in April. The leaker claimed in a post on the Chinese social media site Weibo that the chip will result in a significant 50% improvement in GPU performance. This might widen the gap even more since the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 already has superior graphics performance than Apple's A16 CPU, though the A17 chip in the iPhone 15 Pro is anticipated to be a significant improvement as well, of course. Last month, Ice Universe, another dependable leaker, added their forecast. They said that the OnePlus 5+2 arrangement of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 would have 1 prime core with the maximum clock speed, 5 performance cores for routine activities, and 2 efficiency cores for less demanding work. Ice Universe concurred that the performance of the Adreno 750 GPU would be greatly enhanced. Thankfully, it seems that the increased performance won't negatively impact battery life. This generation will maintain the overall energy efficiency of 8 Gen 2 and will be an excellent SoC, he said in his conclusion. In other words, we're excited to see what this processor is capable of as it's expected to power many of the top phones of 2024. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.